Hello guys, my name is Aprilia. I am student of Information Systems, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences at Samratulangi University. And in this video, I will explain about logic in computers, with points. First, what is a transistor? Second, the working principle of transistors. And finally, 3 logic gates, not, and, or. A transistor is an electronic component that functions as a switch or signal amplifier. It controls the flow of electric current through its 3 terminals, base, collector, and emitter. Transistors are the basis of digital logic in computers, used to build logic gates such as NOT, and OR. 1. The NOT logic gate is a basic logic gate that inverts the input value. If the input is 1, true, then the output will be 0, false, and vice versa. NOT gates are used to perform logic inversion operations in digital circuits. The NOT gate symbol is depicted as a triangle with a small circle at the end. The small circle shows the inversion function. 2. AND gate. This gate produces an output of 1 only if all inputs are 1. Its function is to ensure that all conditions are met. The symbol is a semicircle, D, with 2 inputs and 1 output. OR gate produces an output of 1 if one or all of its inputs have a value of 1.